Hello, welcome to the House of Solutions channel, and today the video review is quite interesting. We're going to talk about an easy DIY energy plan that will teach you how to have an alternative and renewable energy. Throughout the video you will discover everything that is really important and its benefits, so pay close attention, so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing the Easy DIY Energy Plan. What is this Easy DIY Power Plan? It is the device design that uses the principle of energy used to make electric cars constantly charge themselves from the wheels when they are not being accelerated. It is a unique concept and you cannot stay out of this new technology. With the purchase of the course comes the complete guide, illustrated instructions, blueprints, and material lists. And you can access all this from your computer, smartphone, or tablet. In addition, you can download all the files and print as many copies of the blueprints and materials lists as you want. Be on the alert to the purchase site. Be very careful with the site that you will buy the Easy DIY Energy Plan, because it is only sold on the official site, and to help you, I left the link of the official site below in the description and in the comments. The Easy DIY Power Plan is very simple, has it step-by-step easy to follow for you to make your own power generator. It is not difficult and expensive to build your own generator, the created thought to make a smart generator, and that is cheap, making you save even more, so it is cheap and simple. The Easy DIY Power Plan gives you clean and easy energy that you can use to power anything. Moreover, with the teaching it will help you save on energy even more in times of energy crisis. Really, you can trust this product. There are many people who really approve Easy DIY Power Plan. The Easy DIY Energy Plan has your guarantee for 60 full days from your purchase. If you do not see results or if you do not like it for any other reason, they return your money. Another important point is that because it is a green energy source, and with that there will be no pollution. So be safe to use the course, learn how to make your generator, but be sure you are buying from the official site to get the benefits of warranty. For this the link is already available in the video description and in the comments. So, I decided to record this video, because it is a unique opportunity for you to acquire a product that really teaches you step by step and that is very detailed, in addition to various benefits, and will be an investment that really pays off and will make you save a lot. Buy only on the official site, which is already here in the description, and if you buy the product, follow the instructions. And if you want more videos about courses or books on renewable energy, about generators and even green energy, leave them here in the comments. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.